Hello everybody, I'm Fred Munoz with Realty Alive, and this is 16936 Lockwood Avenue in Tinley Park. Today we're going to take a tour of 4.7 acres that backs up directly into the forest preserve. The beauty of that is you have direct access into nature. There are horseback riding trails, cross-country skiing trails, bicycle trails. One can hike either on or off trails. The land is absolutely gorgeous. There are creeks, ravines, prairie land, nature at its best here. So thank you for joining us. Let's get started. I'm excited. I hope you are too. And if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Thank you.